I'm going to perform CPR or cardiopulmonary resuscitation. CPR is an emergency life-saving procedure performed when the heart stops beating. Immediate CPR can double or triple the chances of survival after cardiac arrest. So before we perform CPR, we must check if the scene is safe. I am Maria Lourdes D. Collis, a CPR provider. Can I help? So we will see if the victim is responsive. Breath. Is there any breath? The rising and the falling of the chest. Hey baby, are you alright? Hey baby, are you alright? Hey baby, are you alright? There is no response from the patient. Help! Help! Check if there is a breathing or pulse. One 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 2016, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010. The victim has no breathing and no pulse. I will start the CPR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. If there is still no response, proceed to the second cycle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Continue doing it until the emergency response arrives.